So what is your drinking capacity?
I'm a Punjabi, so I put 90 ml of a drink and 2-3 ice and I just drink it off.
So which is your favorite alcoholic drink?
Long Island iced tea.
I like beer and gin.
I'd say red wine.
Whiskey.
Whiskey, that's antiquity. Like JD when I have a high budget.
Beer.
I like to drink whiskey.
And what is your drinking capacity?
Horrible. Terrible. Like I get drunk in 2 beers.
One combo.
I can drink a lot, yeah. I'm a Goan, so yeah, I can drink a lot.
6 shots.
I like the tipsiness after 4 pack, yeah.
I can have a bottle of wine.
Oh my god. And do you like collapse or what happens after you have a bottle?
No, I don't collapse. I don't even forget. I think I can deal with getting drunk. So
What does a girl keep saying after getting drunk?
I'm not drunk. This is my song. I love you, bitches.
She keeps telling everybody she loves them, and she keeps saying her life is awesome.
They don't remember anything. They talk shit. I don't know.
I love you to everyone.
What do girls usually keep saying after getting drunk?
I love you. I love you. This is how it is, yeah.
Is that I love you to someone or just like everyone?
It's like I'm talking to myself.
So what is the craziest thing you've ever done after getting drunk?
I think the craziest thing I've done is I threw up on myself, and I have that day I just went overboard, and I have never ever done that again.
I've thrown up in a commode and washed my mouth with the jet spray.
I've not done many crazy things, but I think one time on the New Year's, a drunk guy fell on me from an elevated space. So I was so happy that I just had a beer with him.
I attempted an exam, NPAT.
Once when I got drunk, the cops came and we had to run out from the back door, and I remember I fell on a friend and she fell on another one, and it was a chaotic situation, but that was fun.
What is that one thing you regret after getting drunk?
Hangover. That's it.
I called a friend a dumb bitch once. So she hasn't forgotten. So I guess I regret that.
I threw up at home in front of my parents. So yeah, that is one thing.
I think puking on my friend or slapping him for that matter.
Do you think it's easier to impress a drunk girl than a sober one?
Yeah, I think because girls are not really in their senses once they are drunk. So yeah.
Definitely, yes. Yeah.
And why do you say so?
Because I think your inhibitions go down for a toss once you're drunk. So yeah, guys out there, if she's drunk, make her move like.
No, see, even for a drunk girl, the guy has to be decent, somewhat decent. But yeah, it's easier.
Girls become kind of easy when they are drunk. So I feel so. Some girls are easy when they're sober too. They're called espos. But yeah, sometimes yeah, maybe when you're drunk, you're kind of open to things and all. Otherwise, your mind just.
So guys, are you all listening? She's saying girls become easy after getting drunk.
Yeah, but don't take advantage of that.
If a girl's easy, she'll be easy when she's sober or she's drunk. So it's pretty much, it's actually like that. You know what's happening. It just depends if you give in or no. So yeah.
Do you think girls get horny after getting drunk?
No, I don't think so. I don't think that is anything. They just get more comfortable with telling what they feel. They would be equally horny otherwise, but too scared to say that.
Kind of, yeah.
Have you ever got horny?
No, yeah, when I be with my guy, but always.
Horny? No, but then I love to have a good moment, as in, some nice moment with my guy.
What about you?
No, I don't get horny.
So usually we see, girls taking off their sandals after getting drunk. What do you have to say on that?
I think they are high on heels.
Actually, your feet start to pain after a while. I also pretty much remove my heels up once, like after half of the time.
It's a pain to wear your heels and dance because you want to dance. Because we can't just sit in one corner and just drink. You have to just dance. So at the end of it, you just realize that you just need to wear flats and just go dance.
ये देखो सर्च हिस्ट्री bangbang.com, pinkpanty.com, don't touch my desiluli.com और ये सब कल रात को देखा गया है. टाइम देखो.
Any BDSM fantasy you would like to try? I think the one thing that I would try to sort of do is restraint.
Like, unless you answer this question perfectly, you don't get to unzip your pants.